back to the channel. I'm not saying which channel because this vlog is going on the main channel and the vlog channel, but today we are vlogging my laid back work day, Valentine's Day, because I have a lot of work to catch up on. It's just gonna be an exciting day. It's gonna be a fun day. So with that being said, it's time to go make bakwe and food and get my little butt to work. Alright, so it's been a couple of hours. It's about to be 3 p.m. and I just found out that we might have a power outage here in the near future because in Texas, we have a huge cold snap coming through. We may or may not end up without power, but I have gotten a couple of videos edited and exported working on thumbnails. I have to finish editing another video. It's snowing again in Texas.
I should eat the healthy part first. The cake, really? Well, Mom, this tastes so freaking good. I should have extra bedding in my closet as well. Girl, I'm gonna be real with you.
Hello from my bathroom. So we just had outage number 1 of the evening. I'm still gonna try to edit, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Well guys, it snowed and it's very cold. There's Bubby and there's Sissy. Oh my gosh, this is, guys, this is packing snow. This is packing snow, guys. Oh, there they go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Jetson! You really don't like this, do you? Hey, Faith. What's up? Makeshift sweater. How do y'all feel? Oh, thanks.
Hey, Keelie, let me see your phone.
Head snow. Oh my god. Oh my. Butthead.
I'm gonna go inside. I'm going inside.
Guys, quick little check-in. So it is now like 2 o'clock in the morning. I destroyed my bed to find winter gear for everyone else and for the dogs. So I get to clean that up really quickly, and then I'm going to go finish the thumbnails for 7 videos that were supposed to be up last week. And this is what outside looked like after the storm last night, but looks pretty. I'm happy. Good morning. Hi! Oh! Hey, Noodle. What are you doing? Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back. Today, it doesn't feel as cold outside. Today, Mom and I do have to try to venture forth into the unknown. And she made warm coffee because no one here knows how to take care of the snow or the ice or the slush or the sleet. People are still reporting power outages everywhere.
Saying, now we just got to get that half of the window on the outside.
Oh
Is that good?
Yeah. Do you need me to pull up more?
Are you wearing? What is that?
What are those? Jesus.
This is empty. Holy crap. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Clear Creek is empty.
This never happens. Bethany, you gonna lift it up?
They're open.
Yeah.
So what does the sign say? That it's closed because of no power?
Yeah, the store is closed due to no power.
Wait, so they're doing rolling blackouts for all of the houses, but they can't do it for the stores?
Some places have been without power for over 24 hours.
It says there's...
The store is closed
Let's see.
due to weather. Oh my god.
Traffic lights are not working
What is wrong with
at
that
all.
truck?
Can I go?
They're stuck.
They're stuck.
They're stuck. Their tires are spinning. They're stuck.
There's no traffic lights.
Do I need to get out and push or do...
Bethany, what does this remind you of?
The pandemic?
Exactly. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Tuesday. So I'm getting ready to run out of the house with my mom. Now it is time to go venture out. We have to try to go find somewhere to get butter and dog food. Everything is closing due to no power. People are running out of, they're not having internet, no power, no water. It's crazy. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Holy crap, dude. We're gonna do a little bit of a grocery shopping haul before I hop into the shower. So I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I can eat. First things first, I have Sneak Pop popcorn mini cakes in cinnamon and sugar. Your girl had to do some veggie straws. Zesty Ranch. Next, my mom actually discovered these. They are the gluten-free wafers from the Dollar General. I got the Jen Smart potato crisps that are lightly salted. And then lastly, I got 2 aloe vera drinks. Literally, the shelves are becoming empty and the trucks cannot get into the stores to actually restock the shelves because of the roads. Seeing the way that people are acting here and the way like they're literally driving the exact opposite of how you should be driving in these weather conditions. My concern is the fact that literally there are people that have been without power the past 24 hours. There are people now that didn't do the dripping water faucet thing to make sure that your pipes don't freeze over, and there's people now without water. I have never seen such craziness in my life. Like, we don't even have traffic lights. Like, what the heck? It's so freaking crazy. It is time for a snack. Zesty Ranch edition. So let's talk about yesterday. No one knew what they were doing. There was no salt on the road. There were people that weren't slowing down to drive. They were speeding. So many people were getting stuck. We saw a lot of crazy stuff yesterday, but what got me was we got to one of the first intersections. I think it was to go to Walmart. There were no traffic lights at all. And there were people here in Texas that don't know how to do a 4-way stop. Everyone was literally trying to go at the same time. We got to Walmart. Shelves were empty. Produce was empty. Meats were empty. I did not realize that my sister's anxiety was this freaking bad. We were driving to one of the gas stations and I think we made a turn or something and she was talking about like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna throw up. I don't want to throw up, but I gotta throw up. Oh my god. You could hear it. You could see it. You could I was right next to her. It was right behind my mom's driver's seat. The way people are shopping right now is literally worse than when the pandemic started and when everyone started clearing the shelves. Like our stores were not this empty. I'm going to be doing a video on my main channel about how I do it because since I got the iPad, I have definitely started editing my photos differently. I'm going to figure out what we're doing for dinner while I eat a little bit more of my cake because my cake is amazing and I really love the way that it tastes. I don't know how the heck I'm going to finish it though because that thing literally came out to over 5 inches tall and I kind of made it really big. Like, it doesn't even fit in the fridge. We're literally holding it in the garage right now because it's just that cold outside. morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. So this morning I am starting the day off by filling up all of my pets' water jugs and 2 spare jugs of water, and I'm gonna be filling my rabbits' water. So right now, these are 2 jugs that we use to store water for my pets, like for emergencies. And then this goes for the dogs in the kitchen, this goes for the dogs in the living room, and this goes for our cats in the cat room. So now it's time to put those where they're supposed to be and then store those in case of emergencies. All right, so I am in the middle of changing into my next photo shoot outfit, and I want to just get a couple posts because I don't know what the weather's gonna bring, so I'm gonna have to be as prepared as I possibly can be. I promise this will make sense in a moment. I'm looking in my mirror while I'm talking to you guys because I just feel like this would be a nice little cozy shindig. Okay guys, so we're using my trusty tripod with my torn up seat and my Bluetooth remote to take these photos. It's more cold out here than it is in the back. At least in the back we have some, like, the house blocks the wind, and out here in the front it does not. Now of course there is an entire water boil notice for the entire city that I live in. My mom just sent me the article, and that means literally to brush our teeth we have to keep a bottle of water with us. I am trying to keep all of my lights off to conserve energy. That is the update. I'm gonna go probably feed the dogs and figure out what we're doing for dinner. Now that we've seen that boil notice, now we actually have to do it. Get a star of the show.
Oh, we're making chicken and dumpling soup. We're making dumplings, and we're boiling chicken.
Skyping the grandparents.
Skyping my mommy.
Soup. Boiling water. Bethany, say hi.
This is a well. Okay. This is my beautiful farm. You're chugging from a container, Bethany.
Annalise, are you gonna try it?
This is fantastic.
The power that one tamale pot holds. What? Angel! Hey guys, it is officially time to go to bed. It is 12:30 in the morning. I'm about to put my retainer in, drink some lemon water before I put the retainer in, take melatonin, and go to sleep. Good morning, Angel. Angel. Good morning. It is Thursday, which means it's almost the weekend. So we'll see if things are really going to change or not, or if we're going to get another quote-unquote winter storm. Hey guys, so haven't vlogged a whole lot today for the simple fact that I've mainly been sitting on my butt and I have felt like crud all day. Bethany Moda released her chain collection and I'm just like, dude, the short chain earrings paired with the ear huggies in rose gold, it has to be rose gold for me, those would look stunning together, and even paired with this necklace it would just be so cute. I just ate dinner and pretty much what it was like a breakfast Mod Podge. So it was breakfast turkey sausage with a little bit of what I have left of my dairy-free shreds, some egg whites, and I had 3 cauliflower hash browns. Hey guys, good morning. My mom just called the Walmart market and I guess they have basically shelf food, but they did just get milk in, so we're gonna try to go and grab some. As of today, this morning, we still have very low water pressure. Like, it keeps saying lower, lower, lower every day, but we still have power and we still have heat. I just finished my therapy and yeah, and I also have my coffee that I just got to make. I'm also playing this game. What I'm supposed to do now is I'm supposed to start making goals of things that like I want to do, like me personally, and also to grow more of my self-esteem and my confidence. So that is something to work on. Mom, maybe this will make you feel better. Yeah, these are the jasmine ones. As if our day couldn't get much worse. Yeah. Pipe burst. Great. Currently getting the water while we've got it, filling it up to make sure we have enough, hopefully. That couldn't have been any more bipolar in this vlog. As it stands, we called the city and they're going to eventually come and shut my water off, and now we're going to be without water until further notice. I'm a little heated. I'm not going to stay on this too much longer, but we're still fortunate. I am ending the vlog here, and there will be a part 2 coming at the end of next week, which will basically be vlogging tomorrow, which is Saturday through Friday of next week. So basically it will be like almost an entire week in my life. If you guys enjoyed this crazy hectic bipolar vlog, both on the main channel and the vlog channel, you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that big subscribe button down below to join our wonderful YouTube family and become a part of this crazy amazing group of supporters that we have over here. For everyone that's from Texas, try to stay safe, stay warm. I hope you all are doing okay and everyone is in my prayers. And if you guys want to go show some love and support to my Instagram, where I have been super duper active, you guys can do so by clicking the link down in the description box below. But with that being said, I love you all. I hope you all are having an amazing day, hopefully a better day than us in Texas, and I will see you guys in my next vlog and or main channel video. Bye. Love you guys.